Hi, my name is Chris, and today I'm recording a video to set up a repository in GitHub, and this is for week 3 Promineo Tech backend course. Okay, so I have my GitHub account open here, and I have the command center here, and I have in the I'm currently seeded into the folder that I want to add a file to. So if I dir into this folder, we can see that there's currently no files here. So let's go ahead and add one. So we'll do echo and we'll name this week 3 assignment. And we want to make this a README file, excuse me. Okay. So now if we check the directory again, we can see that we have one file here. So now I'm going to go into GitHub here and I'm going to create a new repository. And I'm going to call it week 3 backend assignment. I'm going to just add a little description here for what it's for, and we want to make it public. We don't want to create a README file because we already did. So we'll just create it. Okay, so now we have our repository created. So now we'll go back to the command prompt, and we're going to start entering some of these prompts in here. So we'll do git init, and then we'll do git add readme. Oops, excuse me. Readme. Right. So then we'll check our git status. Okay, we can see here that we have a file that's ready to be committed. So we'll go ahead and add this prompt here. And we will call it first commit since this is our first commit. Okay, so now we'll add the main branch. Right. And let's just check the git status to see what it looks like now. Okay, so there's nothing, we're in the main branch and there's nothing to be committed now, so that's good. All right, so now we are going to add this long code of text here. Right. And then let's push this up. Actually, let's check the git status of this first. Okay, still shows nothing. Okay, so now we are going to push this. All right, it looks like the code has run. So now let's refresh this page so we can see our text here. So now let's just say we want to come back to this and say it's been another week or so that's passed, and we want to add some new text. Okay, so I will come here. I'm going to reopen this. I'm going to open back up the folder that I want to add a file to. And we're going to see we currently just have the one. So we'll add another one here. And we will call this, we'll do echo again. And we'll just call this, say, updates. And this is going to be an HTML file. So now all we have to do is hit git status again. And we can see we have one ready here to be added. So instead of adding all those prompts that we went through before, we could just hit git add space plus with a period. And that should be all we need to do. So if we check the git status again, we can see it's ready to be committed. So we'll do git commit -m. We'll say new HTML file. Okay. And then we'll just hit git push because that's all we need to do now. And there it is. So if we refresh this again, and there's our new file. Perfect.